Hi guys! Naghahanap ka pa rin ba ng perfect investment dito sa South? Well, good news! I've got something exciting for you. Welcome to Centrina Alaminos. Guys, ang ganda talaga ng location nitong Centrina Alaminos since this is just located along Maharlika Highway, and ang maganda pa dito, napaka-accessible lang nito sa mga commercial establishments like schools, hospitals at mga malls. Kaya perfect talaga kung ang hanap mo ay convenience and accessibility. And wait, there's more. Dito sa Centrina Alaminos, we are offering complete turnover units starting at 5 million and above. Sulit na sulit for your money. And syempre, you can choose from our 5 model units. This is a villa na may minimum lot area of 89 square meters and then floor area of 85 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And this is Ara with a minimum lot area of 89 square meters and for the floor area is 95 square meters with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. This is Raya model na merong minimum lot area of 121 square meters and then for the floor area is 107 square meters. Meron itong 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. This is Amira model with a minimum lot area of 121 square meters and then for the floor area is 142 square meters. Meron itong 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath plus attic. And lastly, this is Lavin model na perfect kung meron tayong extended family since yung minimum lot area nito is 145 square meters. And then for the floor area is 181 square meters. Meron itong 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath plus attic. You can also enjoy resort-inspired amenities right at your doorstep since meron tayo ditong clubhouse, adult and kiddie pool, playground, basketball court, and landscape parks. Premium location, premium living. Dito lang yan sa Centrina Alaminos. Kaya kung gusto mo yung property na value for money, strategic ang location and ready for your family's future, ito na yung best offer namin sa'yo. This is Centrina Alaminos. See you soon!